Hello viewers, and welcome back to Cooking and DIY, where we show you how to cook delicious meals and also how to do some jobs around the house so you don't have to call a tradesman, and guess what, save you some money in your pocket. Now today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and healthy Jamaican sorrel drink. The other name for this Jamaican sorrel is actually roselle. Now, sorrel or Jamaican sorrel is very healthy and has a lot of health benefits. So, for example, it helps with weight loss, it is anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, it lowers your blood pressure, it prevents heart disease, it prevents cough and colds, it helps with menstrual pain, and it relieves constipation. If you don't believe me, go and check it out for yourself. Very healthy drink. Let me just quickly show you what the plant look like in the farm, because the sorrel that I'm going to use is actually dried and cured. So if you have a look, that's how it is in the farm. Of course, Jamaican sorrel is a member of the hibiscus family, but should not be confused with the hibiscus plant itself. Right, so here is the sorrel. This sorrel has been dried, so it's well cured. Here I have some ginger and a cinnamon stick. Here I have a pot of water boiling. This is almost come to a boil. Thing I'm gonna do, the ginger, I'm gonna grate this ginger. I've washed the ginger very thoroughly. So what I'm gonna do is just to grate this ginger. Okay, so this is the grated ginger. The water is now boiling, so I'm just going to add everything in the pot. This is the dry cured sorrel. I'm just going to add this as well. And I'm also going to turn off the hob. Lastly for now, this is the cinnamon stick. I'm just going to add this as well. And also, I'm going to add some pimento berries. This is some pimento berries. I'm going to replace the lid, and I'm going to leave this overnight, and then I'm going to finish everything up tomorrow. So 24 hours later, sorrel still in the pot. So what I need to do now is just to strain it off and then take things from there. Okay, so here is the sorrel now, or the sorrel drink, all strained. And the next thing I'm going to do is to add some brown sugar. This is the brown sugar. And I'm also going to add some red label wine. Now this is optional, you don't have to, but I just think that, you know, it gives it brings it up a bit, give you a bit of punch with some red label wine inside. And I'm just gonna sweeten this now. Right, so this is all done now. So all that is left for me to do is to just transfer this in a bottle and some glass. All finished. And now I'm gonna have some. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember, leave a positive comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. Goodbye.